Okay, this TV's not that old. It's only being used probably about 2 hours a day. And I want to show you the picture that we have. Or the quality, lack of picture. Just turn the TV on. Let's turn this down a little bit. Volume. Of course, the sound quality is great. But take a look at the picture. There's some dark in between the screen, in the middle of the screen. It's a Sony. We need to figure out how to repair that. Let's go for some other channels. And let's even go for input. Give me a moment while I go through the input. Here it is, input. HDMI 1. HDMI 2. HDMI 3. Four. Back to TV. We're gonna go. Pause it. Okay, you see that blackness. Okay, thank you.